baby am tie me de anytime there's change in government or change of government a mind per se be me pass it through the process and making sure ebia Tanko we but sometimes if you try to abuse it, that is why me sometimes I have issues with it. Now if you look at of a company in company law if be lifting of the veil
for Ghana TV message or like, comment, subscribe, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. For Monim say, Chema to me, Nasema Abano. A lot of commentaries have been going. Some say, be move say what you can call political witch hunting because NDC about power and the want to me say yena ya will to me and all those things. I mean, it's part of the conversation. But what is very, very interesting when you say journalists, media workers are starting to speak. They are starting to also talk about perspective. Now, in sharing their perspective, what is interesting is Obi Kwame Tanko, AYɛka Lawson TV. Or can say assembly very, very interesting. And he said, Ebra NDC for more opposition. Yeka galamsi asembia no edia omubo want to me. Now let's even assume say asema na omuka na no kre say bia want to me ye galamsi no e kire say once omaba they have caught want to me and I say want to me court and I say some of the times kwa no that yoko and I say that CID for cells no it means say Galamsey has to stop. That is a rationale. So musi wuntu mina na oye Galamsey na say na ono na oshe Galamsey chino. Actually say once you caught wuntu me and he's going to court, he's not having access to his bank account or anything, more freezing your account. You have gone after his media houses and all no. Galamsey has to stop. So who are the people still doing Galamsey? And then the question Ghana for any journalist bebre ebisa. Munyanti want to me only picture only scene is subium. And she said, Obiant me say want to me na Galamsey no. Watch no. Mu de no court. Mu process no. Or free court back mo na mo chi na asa ko be from all those ones are going. No problem about that. So who are the people still doing the Galamsey? This is what Ghanaians want to know. They want to understand what logic are you using? Who are the real kingpins of Galamsey as we are speaking now? One mu omuye Galamsey, one mu no mu sense you know. And the past say people are beginning to ask important questions, all important questions. People are waking up to the lies and throw NDC for try just to come to power. And people are beginning to ask for accountability. Accountability is very, very important in our governance. Now, blow, na I dare friend goodwill we in Chemunko. A Chemuka, NDC for hey, this is Mujani. Because the Ghanaian voters say, almost shady grow. Never be saying NPP for na omudi chire so yenko koto abano. And the Ghana voters say oye de amani nyina na omu hwe omu nkasa o omu achisem e wo mutrim omu nim say da ko beba I be 7th December 2028 oho na omu kasa o. And for let's go and listen to what Kwame Tanko had to tell His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I will see in the next one. The video is up next.
Omo bibia wi amane ye ne kokot ama ne try no ashase he's facing charges related to alleged illegal mining activities.
Yes.
And mining without a license linked to Akonta Mining Limited, a company he reportedly owns.
Yes.
He was granted bail in the sum of 1 million Ghana cedis as the trial begins today. Lawyer Chemaun Tumi Andy Apiakubi confirmed that the charge against him involves mining without a license.
Yes.
And that the matter will be fully addressed in court. He however maintained his client's innocence. No.
Of I know na me you talk about probity and accountability. Me, baby I'm tell me de. anytime there's change in government or change of government, a mind per se be to me pass it through the process and making sure but sometimes if you try to abuse it, that is why me sometimes have issues with it. Now if you look at of a company in company law, if be lifting of the veil, even mama say be a company Kwame Tanko dia, but if you are able to lift the veil, that is why you are able to see the real owners of the company. Now adeba kwa say me fairness offer enra okopia mo sia the headquarters odi ni komu yi ade ne yankwa nkwa ne chenchenchi say yokofo de no. Now we had the course so after so mudo mun komu nyina wie no, now their man yankopon ya me no kwa kopia mo court. That is why a court of competent jurisdiction where we are going to do cross examination. Who said the course wa now there be some kind of charges against him. Say he say why away. It's only a court of competent jurisdiction that can prove say won to adi bone and also ni bone. I've also listened to won to me whereby I can maybe time mo ba bon tebe ka say won to me kwa illegal mining. They do baby mpo wo kwa bawura baby e man license and baby our operating is under forest reserve. Baby our operating it's an illegality for him to operate over there no. He also came out there and said baby the illegal course he also have a problem with it whereby it is not true. This was Wuntu also talking. Now Wuntu the Nediaba. Now if you listen to the Attorney General also the Nediaba, the Attorney General no, if you come to Ghana, open nipa ba kwa mrano for nimno atia seya is the Attorney General. We agree. Now you're saying the law rests in the bosom of the judge. The law it rests in the bosom of the judge. Now what say the nano payu kachemia? Then it tells me say nyanko poyan mene omukwa kwa pemo court kwa dinkomo. You see, adeba kwa about democracy. Whereby a man for the common seminary, sometimes politics, public prosecution is no. We go to a court of competent jurisdiction to determine the outcome of the matter. And when I hear something saying, and may offer and now, my memo say for Nabaso, my memo pay for Baso, my said don't want the chin be yourself. And as I said that the bail condition be offer. Someday who say be outrageous and no day that they are 20 pounds one day be America. Message my own to me, only baby a wojan the yako. Of only baby a woko. Nyame adom na say the process is start here. Then we get to know how the issues are being run. It was for yamo mpanyimfo abaso. Ade ba kwa me den say won to miss one tenase ankasa da bi ebi anko twen say Tuesday no akọ. Now if you listen to the Attorney General, the kind of condition that he gave, won to me jitu mu so ampo kono. It is a plus for chama won to me. I wish and praise of our processes ne be fair. Ghana ha obi ajitum so de wasam kokọ na bo nkro yie. Now come on some year. Now court to some day. It is not a matter of say moral issues. Say
right.
It's a matter of legality. And you train the court to be
wait and see. You ever said here? We see interesting times ahead. We know a lot of people who are involved in mining.
Yes.
Nah. Me di biya me gwasma yam tagaza o yo phone sa.
No ahwe onza.
Go for when in Sano.
It is a pansa. Thank you.
And say to me, be showing some none use it.
Thank you.
In a manner that say you will not 2 minutes be used on you.
Yes.
And can you be okay?
So now I'm going to talk as a Kwame Tanko asema. Bisa wonte sanka Tanko ti wani wase de busi kani.
Can you repeat
same thing to him?
Intermediate de bia me wasema meka. Say Ghana nyina say the oye galamsey pan actually a wie to atwa. I said your moka at the air. No.
How is that
possible?
Now
one did not court. Oh galamsey. One did not court.
For now me wo bia.
Until after prosecuting one to me, galamsey should stop.
Kempenani actually.
Oh yes.
The grandpapa.
So that is the assumption. Because there are lots and thousands of them out there. You got, I don't know if you get my point.
No, I'm getting you. So now a certain kind of scenario be say, wouldn't to me
minister better TV soon here.
Oh yeah, Mekai.
And
that fateful day.
Oh,
that fateful day. And the minister for lands and natural resources, he was crying as if he was a baby.
Was saying forest, was say we ready. To me. Yes. So now he has been arrested. Now he's been prosecuted.
Yes.
And that's you should have better forest be okay. Me please no. Media no.
You see, sometimes of Ghana, sometimes I have issues. Me tell you, that be me come see. If you look at His Excellency John Dramani Mama, he's working, but sometimes department be wa aya cosmetics ne doors on the money. E toda be wa you see, where dan unipa yi my friends kwakubo say dubu ahi. Okay. The way you do office, so how they even presented the matter. As if the guy born now why you be to Ghana had
you're moving on. Not young query well. A total of 12 people have been arrested for engaging in an illegal mine in Galamsey that has caused damage to the rail line that runs from Takrade through Achim to Nsuta in the Western region. They were arrested on Monday following an operation led by the Western Regional Minister Joseph Nelson. Reports Doche Kobla Aklobutu. Now the woman said rail line that one. It's what Makoya mining wa home. Why won't we ana?
Won't we say?
People 12 and the actual Galamsey no. So we can even do two kwai.
Me say me wura ho chai bi.
Say kompatuom.
Me wura ho chai bi bia.
Okwa ye by.
Yes.
Ye nam kwan so aye ko nyina.
That stretch I
no ye di.
Hey.
No ye di because of this Jesus Christ.
Offer. Are serious?
You see? Say trust here you say big play politics the bed yeah no. Ye be kwa baba be.
Yes. Yes. That is a problem.
Ye be kwa baba be.
That is a problem.
Nipa Attorney General Bo omu din se omu yendis omu ye Galamsey say
now you feed about Kobekai. The national organizer of the NDC dead them.
Okrano.
Yes. If you look at our proverb now workana, he's telling them that he's daring them. If they are men, if omu ye confess so many abrea, they should open the Pandora box. Omu no me be pie mo fiaba. Besine. What is it? Or the noise or first vice or second vice? No come home. And the national organizer of a group baby. Tomorrow we by election. Go and listen to the speech of the national organizer of the NDC.
I will share party for them.
Go and listen to them.
Or say Galamsey now no muye the party in the power.
Yes.
Inti no.
Yo come. Me say. Or for the place me catch me say. Me babia why I say there's no politician in Ghana for now. What no comments to Galamsey. Where? Yo come. That day the NDC didn't distance themselves from the national or your communication or a man no our case they are going to do illegal, they are going to allow them to do illegal mining. Why boss I presented Tony Obe say he is going to lead that and I'm see Jesus Christ as a hey.
Okay, but what's the reason? As you know, I'm being told that the regional minister Joseph Nelson, and run land holding you, are reclaiming land. No, I want fail.
Okay, meet the press. Meet the press. His Excellency.
Say na net here. So more two railway line. Railway no, and hanging on.
Yes.
And more two as I Galamsey no. Say na about me. Wa fail honum.
Nanu gil kofu.
Wana baso.
Gil
why no
offer. They are no.
Why ya dear? He has done something good, something positive.
Me say.
So whoever.
Gil kofu nanu gil komusu. Gil kosu amunsase. Illegal miners have taken over. Omafa. Me say now meet the press. Yes, it was 288 forest reserve, 5,252 hectares. Yes, 44 is under attack. His Excellency said 9 Galamsey for Ageno. Or no, the NDC government aside denying the free Galamsey from say, hey, who mother the president this kind of information? Nanwa yekoi, patrol. I want to catch them so far. It's a problem. Already the way people are doing illegal mining. Mejitum say if you look at the time of Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, me say both the NPP and the NDC they've all benefited from illegal mining. Both the NPP and the NDC. In 2016, NPP for the campaign to NDC. In 2024, NDC for the year campaign they tell the new patriotic party. If you look at these two political parties, Obian need the political will and zeal to fight against illegal mining. Only now they know that people are doing the illegal mining. They know them. Party for the NPP and NDC for no only illegal mining. Many workers say, Obi awa NDC biano nini NDC no illegal mining. Obi awa NPP no said no NPP biano on no illegal mining. But the truth is, they cannot go after them. They can't go after them. Where? Say so I say Naimos. I say. No far. If you look at the way people are doing illegal mining, now no Ghana water for some more and they are doing illegal mining with impunity. Mom found slow. Where? Now no you come put me. Quite who pow. Of an answer be acquainted that you. Quite who. And yet to amena peta kese and I'm for illegal mining. Yaba, yes, they have declared war on illegal mine. Omunimwa, Yaba na man for illegal mine or quine. Illegal mine of a debut me catch me can make. Me say there's no government in Ghana now. They have the political zeal and commitment to fight against illegal mining. They know those who are doing illegal mining.
All right,
they know.
All right. This morning.
Emergency ne ehon kika ho say na akwa kwesi. It's me ma femu de make say overall baby a man just satisfied and I say many anje ho kakra ye baby a ya attorney general aban krachi lawyer krachi peni ka say so far no I say chairman won ti mi pe na ye akendifo a omo edi sa galam say edi Ghana ewu no ono pe na so far no omo di nachi our request say by Monday ombra lenso Monday na ye ende joy day so na lawyer for say obeba nyambo echina nti eno so ye hwese na asasensem ne bekwa akosi if you say enye chema hu to me nko ana edi se edwume hu be ya adwen say enye chema hu to me nko ana edi se edwume mpinifo abrane bi ewum na so ye ko sanhye no die no reports are almost my say how much over 1,400 almost galam stage me now so ta almost 1,400 no man penimpo kasa no ono kasa tunenu to ka say 1,400 do na ye emrantie ne mbaba wa se bi omo pe kakre edie twetwa omo ho nti sam penifo ye omo so ase na kire se omo no ye ntimi do na omo aya na omo samene mu emrantie ne mbaba wa se bi ahon kire ne edwuma ni man ni mum si omo pe bibi kakra di no omo na do na ya chi omo nti eno na ma ikohie mu na ye ka se wo se omo ti bi ye bibi ana se edwuma bi mpo ka ye ma penida da ba sa agenda 111 one district one factory ni ade nke di inuma ni mputu be bad district ne sa mia na nko mo timi atwe omo ho kakra but entinia andimu nti ye hwese se na mampeni kae no omo de nema etoto akwan mu se na ebe ya omo a mabawa ne mranti a omo galam say na no omo a se de omo need to me omo enye omo no mo sponsor galam say na nkasa but omo de service kakra omo benye free mu nti no omo hwe de omo be se na ebe ya omo nyina betumi atwe omo ho free sa bia no.
Okay. Na yɛkɛn obi bebisa sɛ saa nhyiamudie wei na ɛho hia sɛ bɛba so ana.
Pacho na say
Yo, dia mi bisa ne sɛ saa nhyiamudie yi na ɛho hia sɛ na ɛte sɛ ɛba so.
oh no question na every here because here to say you may go here ebo omo kasa na say na omo put pressure on aban bia obeba no nti bia me meka se me fam na me hu se o man peni fe so ye bibia e be chere se sebedie yesus ani ejumeku ekuku bia e kan tie na nye se tie na wo tie omo nye ho twi omo de ne am gugu akwa mu se na be ya omo so ma chen bibia omo ya akwa kodu ene ne omo twe fi ye ho na still be ayo so moving forward ne be mu tene be tato ne ma anase ne de tiaka yense mafa
Sɛ wohwɛ state of emergency a na ebi ɛka amampani akyerɛ mu sɛ Debbie, we can fight galamsey without state of emergency. Moyɛ disappointed ana?
oh me not disappointed because state of emergency no question who can kind mo that we should state of emergency no more papa no me ya adwen so man ya yetimi hwese empo ebi oba ma ya yesi me dudufo enkonko to ade hwe awoche ni obi e ntade we se bi empo say empo yen mo edwedie ni ade enko ma that it is a state of emergency. Maybe I need to state of emergency. deploy asogyafoɔ akɔ biara a wɔyɛ mining activity. They affected this large mining companies mu nyinaa. Wɔn ntumi mine. Ɛna economic impact ɛne sɛ wɔkɔ asɛ bi wɔn tontɔn nnuane wɔn yɛ wɔn adwuma. Ebi ɛde ma wɔn yɛ adwuma wɔ hɔ nom. Wɔn nso wɔn adwuma bɔ wɔ. Wɔn nso ba abɛtu eti akyerɛ aban ne sɛ eti a bibi akɔ bibi amba wɔn tumi wɔn. Nti ɛbɛma nneɛma bibiara amɔke. Nti mímí wọ́n lè sẹ́ sẹ́múlẹ̀ káyà sẹ́ni ẹ̀mẹ́ bí ètò ìmọ̀mọ́ na ebi obi didi ọ̀fà nkyẹn sẹ́ni ẹ̀ka yẹ́yẹ́ campaign ba toilet efie ni efie no lẹ́sìn náà yẹ kákà wọ́n wọ́n sẹ́ yẹ hyẹ́ ẹ̀sìn ẹ̀wọ̀ sẹ́ efie rẹ̀ bíà wọ́n make it sure sẹ́ sẹ́bi wọ́n bẹ́ si ẹ̀gyà náà bíà sẹ́ni ẹ̀bẹ́ yà bọ̀fra ne mpanyinfoɔ ɛnene ɛntoto bibi basabasa ɛne yɛ gu mpɛmu. Nti mímí wọ́n lè sẹ́ ẹ̀yẹ pàṣẹ kakra adeɛ hyɛ aseɛ akyɛ. Nti ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde sɛ nipa bi ɛpɛ nyansapan bi na ɛma etutwa. Na sɛ yɛka sɛ nipa tapaa kwan no ɛne esisi asɛdeɛ na sɛ woka news a amanfoɔ de ntuo no mu ne adeadeɛ. Bisa sɛ mmerante yi fa na ɔmo kɔ yɛ tuo ne firi sɛ ɛnyɛ mpanyinfoɔ no mu bi na ɛde ma ɔmo. Wɔho. Nti no ɛwɔ sɛ mpanyinfoɔ no mu no ɛna yɛ going after them. Na ɛnyɛ mmɔfra a sɛ ɔmo nim de ne ɔmo a ɔmo nim mmara ne sɛ deɛ na ɔmo hyɛ nkɔfra ekutu pa na ɔmo ne ɔmo etuo ne adeade ɔmo na ɔmo nsɛn ɔmo adwene nti patɔ ma adwene.
Okay, na yɛkɔ yɛ ne mu yi results bɛn ɛna mo yɛ part of this nhyiamudie yi yɛsusu sɛ ɔman no bɛtumi de abrɛ yɛn.
Patɔ sɛ from years say
yes, after meeting the president ɛdeɛ results ɛna yɛbɛtumi anya afiri mfa so deɛ bɛn ɛna wogyere sɛ yɛbɛtumi de abrɛ the fight ɔko a yɛkɔ de atia wɔmɛfa kwati kwan so tu fam agudeɛ.
Okay, nti neɛ bɛbɛ sɛ yɛ attorney general ɛma yɛte asɛ sɛ the parliament will remain on the 14th of this month. Almost the LI, almost the LI 2.62. So we are pretty so name deal, so we are what we to do. Ebema one hour mining a warrior forest to Milano. Even almost a bet to be almost from that. If you are not to the air, you quite to be DHD. Na sɛ ɛno nso bubu wie ɛnase nti mu a ɛhɔ no na yɛsɛ akasa anasɛ avoice out akyerɛ mpanin ne mpanimfoɔ a keka ma because kɔmihyiamudie mu yɛmu sɛ ɛno ɛnso na yɛn mpanimfoɔ yi sɛ benyame fɔ ɔmo kra ɛsie ɔmo kɔhwere ɔmo ɛsɛ galamsey ne akɔɛ ne ma ɔmo de to so akɔɛ no nti no yɛsɛ na yɛhwɛ anim kwan sɛ sɛnea ɔmo di nkan yɛtwitwa because the committee no ma yɛte asɛ sɛ baabi te sɛ outreach ɛne new moves ɔmo consensus a ɛpo abɛsoso ɛda hɔ ɛdo now no ɔmo atwitwa bi ɛde ama ɔmo yɛ small scale mine no a wɔyɛ registered small scale mine no yɛtwitwa bi ɛde ama hɔ ɛno nso te sɛ ɛyɛ kwan bi ɛbɛboa nti sɛ woyɛ legal registered small scale mine aban ɛpɛ kwan bi so ɛbɛma mo aban ne in the right way nti ɛno nso yɛ sɛ policy papa ɛbɛboa na ɛbɛyɛ ɔmo a ɔmo galamsey basa no ɛbɛbrɛ ase.
Ansa na mo kɔ no mo na mo wɔ biribi a mode to mo table so sɛ na ka mode bɛto Ghana mampanyin anim na motimi de yɛ ana
mpacho ɛne sɛ ɛni bibia na ɛtumi kita wɔ nhyɛmudie no ase nanso ɔmo a yɛakwanya ne sɛ asa program no a wata ati mu a ɛyɛ soft copy and hard copy no be presented ɛde ma wɔn nti mɛka sɛ na akwanya no wɔ a yɛde bɛgya ɛni obia na ɛtumi kata a ɛwɔ nhyɛmudie no ase.
Okay, eti na mo susu dia ɛɛdeɛn mo susu yɛ a mode to pono so.
Yeah, the photo so kɛse ɛne sɛ yɛbɛpɛ edwuma papa deɛ wɔn a mmɔfra ne mmabaawa a wɔyɛ galamsey a wɔn deɛ no sɛ wɔn ni edwuma bi ayɛ wɔn ni biribi adi no yɛbɛhwɛ ne yɛbi wɔn apɛ adwuma papa bi de ama wɔn na afei nso mpanimfoɔ no a wɔhyɛ galamsey n'ase no ɔmanpanin ne sɛdeɛ attorney general ɛbɛyere wɔn bɛhyɛ mmara no akɔsi ase na yɛtumi akyekyere wɔn nyinaa egu mu wɔn agya mmɔfra no because mmɔfra no sɛ sɛbi wo sɛbi